Today we'll be making a paper boat that actually floats. For today's project, we're just going to need a single sheet of white paper. Let's begin. So first step is to take your paper and fold it in half by bringing one corner up to the other corner. If you want a larger boat, you can use a larger piece of paper. And crease it. Now you're going to get the two bottom corners on the folded side and try to line them up so they're lined up together, and you're going to fold them in the center. Next, you're going to take the top flap and you're going to fold it over the triangles, turn it over, and fold the flap just like the other side. Now what you have left should resemble a hat. Then you turn it to its side and you fold it and flatten it the other way onto the table, making sure all of your folds are nice and crisp. Great. Then you take one corner from the open side and you fold it up to the top corner. And don't make it too tight or it's hard to open it up later. There you go. And you turn it over and you do the same thing to the other side. So now you should have it folded up like that, and you open up the bottom just like that. Then you face it up and then you pull the two corners, two edges of your paper out. And you can kind of adjust things and you can start to see your boat. There you go.